Hello people, hello family, hello Africa. Hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to declare and pay IGS tax in Cameroon in 2026. Now, IGS stands for Impôt Général Synthétique, okay? And in other videos, I actually did talk about the various tax regimes or the tax brackets or tax classifications that companies in Cameroon are classified into. Okay, so if your turnover is below 50 million annually, then you should probably fall under the IGS tax regime. Okay, so IGS taxes classification in Cameroon, Impôt Général Synthétique, that's the meaning of IGS, or in English you call it the General Synthetic Tax. Okay, now if your turnover is below 50 million, you can be classified under each of the classes. Like the IGS has 10 different classes, as you can see here. Okay, so now you will be classified under class 1 if and only if your turnover is less than 500,000 and you are going to pay an annual tax of 20,000 francs CFA. That, like, every year you're just supposed to pay a one-off tax of 20,000 francs CFA, and then you are good to go. Okay, so this tax incorporates, or it has everything, like it's everything under this class. So you have class 2, which is, every 500,000 francs increase, the amount, the tax that you're going to pay changes. So class 2 is between 500,000 and just, let's say, 1 million. You pay 30,000 francs. And then class 3, between 1 million and 1.5 million, you pay 40,000 francs. So that increases right up to, there's a big jump between class 5 and class 6. You understand? So you jump from 60,000 francs and then you already go to 150,000 francs, because they are saying that class 6, there is the bracket is 2.5 million to 5 million. So if you fall within this bracket, you're going to pay 150,000 francs annually. And of course, class 10 is the highest. Between 30 million and 50 million, you pay 2 million francs CFA annually. So depending on your turnover, if your turnover is below 50 million, you will be classed inside, depending on your turnover, you know exactly how much IGS you are going to pay at the end of the year. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to declare these taxes. Okay, so let's go to the Harmony system. All right, guys, I know you've already signed up into your Harmony system. As you can see here, this interface is kind of like the old or the Harmony 1 system, as you know, if you're used to this. If you're not used to this, there is a Harmony 2 and the Harmony 1. Okay, so it's like the old platform. Now you cannot declare this tax on the Harmony 2 system. The Harmony 2 system is just there for you to download your NIU, to download your RCF and things like that. But here is where you actually declare this tax. It has not been moved to the new system yet, so you still need the old system to be able to declare your taxes or your synthetic tax. Now this is my company here, and if you see here, there's a tax regime. You see tax regime, synthetic general tax, class 1. So as I said, I'm under class, this particular company is under class 1. Okay, so annually this company is supposed to pay a tax of 20,000 francs CFA. Now, every year, this class might change if you are reclassified. You can be reclassified by the end of the year, depending on your turnover. Because remember, when you do your declaration, you actually put the turnover that you've done for your taxes. And the taxman can come at any time to actually audit to ensure that the turnover that you are, or the class that you are, is actually the right class. Okay? So, and there's a new thing here which I just want to say, your reporting obligation. This one has just been added, and if you click on reporting obligation, you are going to see exactly Impôt Général Synthétique. This tax is paid every quarter. So the first deadline is the 15th of January, 15th of April, 15th of July, and then 15th of October. And you also see all the other taxes and their deadlines, like Impôt sur les bénéfices agricoles. The deadline is 15th. 15th of every month you have to pay it. So it's just to remind you of the type of taxes that this company has to pay and the deadlines. I think this is a good addition to the system for every tax owner, or every taxpayer, sorry. So guys, I just want to take this opportunity to let you know that I have just started a 3 months practical course on basic accounting, Cisco HADA and filing tax returns in Cameroon. Okay, I am actually taking these classes on Saturdays from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. This is for people who are actually who wants to learn OHADA accounting from scratch, like from the basic right up to filing your tax returns. So I take this class 2 hours every weekend, just on Saturdays. And if you are someone who wants to learn OHADA accounting, Cisco HADA accounting and filing TSF, then you can enroll into this class. It's quite affordable and just on weekends. So if you are working, you can be there. The course outline is, or the course duration is 3 months. We're going to have 12 weeks every week, and then 2 hours every weekend. Now I'm trying to look if I can do it online, but I have a physical location at Aqua that we do that. The course description is practically basic accounting principles, Cisco HADA accounting system, bookkeeping procedures, financial statements preparation, payroll accounting, tax accounting, Cameroon, and filing DSF. Okay, and this course is highly practical and tailored for business owners, accounting students, entrepreneurs, finance staff, SMEs, aspiring accountants, and administrative officers. Okay. So if you are someone who wants to, learn some basic accounting and you don't have any idea in accounting and you want to get started, then I recommend this course for you. Contact the numbers on the screen and I will be able to take you through from nothing to understanding accounting. So if you are here already, it means you've already signed on, and if you want to declare your IGS tax, you need to come to this link. Now, if you see so many other different taxes that can be declared here: property tax, livestock, forestry, mining, tax stamp and fees, and so on and so forth. Okay, so when you come under statements, and then you come and then you just click on IGS/TVA/IR 2025. So if I click on that, it's going to take me to the next page. You just have to be patient with the system, okay? You just have to be patient with the system. Now, if you look at, you see that I've done a couple of declarations already. But when you are here, this is the list of the monthly activities of your monthly activity report. So you just need to click on the form, or in French, you have fiche. This is it right here. So you click on it, and then you're going to see this, okay? And then you see IGS et licence. You have other taxes listed here: droit d'assises, TSR, traitement des salaires, acompte et précompte. So there are just so many different taxes here. Okay, now it's translated to English. IGS license. So you click on the plus button here, and then you are going to have, this. So as we said, if you look at this here, you see that we have quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, because it's a quarterly tax. So you can declare on a quarterly basis, okay? And if you look at the form, the